The REST API connection in Izenda is by far the most versatile connector provided in the platform, as it allows connection to the widest range of potential data sources and services. This video will cover some of the basics of the REST API connection interface and how to manipulate it to get data out of an endpoint. The REST API connector allows users to use the report data exposed by the REST API service in HTTP protocol. For this video, we will use a sample REST API service with country data to walk through the workflow. In this example, we'll put the address of the REST API endpoint in the address field like this. This will gather the information about the query source and, once connected, retrieve the query sources themselves. If we need to get more specific with our pathing, we can specify more around the API endpoint through the data path field. For this example, our endpoint will return everything if the all path is set here. This is what the data looks like when returned after checking the full API path URL. Now, we can name this endpoint something like countries, click OK, specify the full connector's name, and save. If we make the table from this API endpoint visible, we can then move to the report designer to test our endpoint. We will select this item as a data source, move to the Design tab, begin building a grid, and drag an item into the grid to see it populate with data. Now that we have established a connection to the REST API endpoint in Izenda, we can take a look at more advanced features in this interface in the next video. Click here to watch Advanced REST API Configuration.